Garlic plays a key role on the global culinary stage. As demand grows, the garlic processing industry faces new challenges and opportunities. Traditional processing methods are full of problems. Locating rates, high damage and curing rate of agricultural equipment, include heavy, low cost packaging, and other packaging forms,
which can fully meet
The key requirements of preservation, sterilization, and extension of shelf life. More reliable and easy to use. In addition to transmission components, the whole line adopts 304 stainless steel, which fully meets the food safety standards. The core components are selected from well-known brands to ensure long-term stable operation of the equipment. The quick disassembly design simplifies the cleaning and maintenance and shortens the downtime. The fan adopts the innovative air duct design, the optimized layout, and the adjustable air outlet design,
which
effectively improves the water removal efficiency. The grading system starts quickly after